If you thought the trauma of migrating from JSP to ThymeLeaf was the end of your Java-based therapy sessions, buckle up. So let's talk about Spring Framework 7. This is the foundation, and honestly and finally dragging Java development kicking and screaming out of the basement and into the modern cloud era. The primary driver? A zero-tolerance policy for outdated standards. If it smells old, they killed it. First up, the purge. The Jakarta reckoning is here. That old jvax.app store namespace you were still clinging to for dear life, officially dead and gone. If you're running anything older than Jakarta EE11, you're about to feel the heat. We're talking Servlet 6.1, JPA 3.2. It's time to update those dependencies, or you're essentially standing still while the rest of us fly by. And speaking of old habits, your trusty old JUnit 4 test suites? History. Framework 7 exclusively mandates Unit Jupyter 6, no exceptions. It's like throwing out your favorite stained t-shirt. Necessary, but painful. Even the reliable Undertow server got the axe because it simply wasn't ready to play nice with the new baseline. But the good news? All that cleanup frees up space for some serious fire. We finally get first-class support for API versioning. No more hacking path segments or stuffing version numbers into query parameters like a desperate rookie. Spring is making it clean, declarative, and frankly respectable. And check this out. The new @HTTP service client annotation is here to reduce your boilerplate, making service-to-service calls so easy it feels like cheating. Plus, for all you test architects, Spring can now pause and resume context for long-lived integration tests. That means your massive test suites stop hogging memory and CPU. Your testing machine finally gets to breathe. Sitting on top of that beast is Spring Boot 4, and this release is focused on two things: being native and being nimble. This isn't your daddy's monolithic enterprise app. This is a hyper-efficient cloud machine. The whole thing is designed with GraalVM native image in mind. They are making performance non-negotiable, promising faster builds and faster image generation just by cleaning up the internals. And as for structure, Boot is internally splitting into smaller, cleaner modules. Why should the AOT processor have to wade through irrelevant junk? Less junk, more speed, simple physics for the cloud. They're even introducing Jackson 3 support, but in a way that allows it to coexist with Jackson 2. They threw you a life ref there, giving you a chance to catch your breath before the full dependency migration hits. And finally, for the ops crowd, this is the killer feature. Open telemetry integration is right out of the box. No more duct tape and prayers for production monitoring. The holy trinity of traces, logs, and metrics, all working seamlessly via Micrometer 2. They also fixed the most annoying health check bug, expiring SSL certificates. That vague, will expire soon status is gone. Now it gives you cold hard operational truth in a new expiring chains entry. No more false alarms, just the precise day you need to renew your certs. The new Spring era demands attention, not just compliance. The migration will be less of a lift and shift and more of a platform, but the reward is a framework that is truly ready to fight in the cloud-native trenches.